How to stop unwanted text messages on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone quick tips. To stop unwanted messages from a specific person, first open your device messages, open the message and tap on the number or name at the top. Now block this contact here. Tap on block again to confirm. To stop all the other unwanted messages, open your device settings, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on apps. Now find the messages app in this list. Tap to open it. On the unknown senders section, you can see screen unknown senders. Turn on this toggle and that's it.